Hello, welcome to a Getting Started video. Today, we cover PrivCo. We'll go over how to access the database, what's in it, how to search for private companies, and how to activate filters to create lists of investors, companies, and more. Let's get started. Go to the library's website to locate our A to Z list of databases. You'll find PrivCo there. PrivCo is a top search engine for private company data. It covers 797,000 plus U.S. private companies of all sizes. International companies that have raised funding over $50 million. 6,000 plus investors. 555,000 plus funding rounds. And 108,000 plus M&A deals. You need to create a free account with your Purdue email credentials. The main page is a bit complex. Most of the screen real estate is taken up by trending news and insights. But the key features are near the top. We'll begin by searching for a private company, Anduril. They're a defense technology firm based in California, with a facility in West Lafayette. Here's the company profile. It begins with an overview of the company. We can then drill down into more detail. Remember, U.S. private companies have minimal regulatory disclosure requirements. The valuation is an estimate derived by analysts at PrivCo. The financials are also an estimate. PrivCo estimates are proprietary information but are considered reputable and used by customers like American Express, Bloomberg, CNBC, Deloitte, and more. Their multi-step estimation process involves AI and machine learning algorithms harvesting credible business news sources. Data scientists and engineers verify and update the results daily. We could download the information, or add Anduril to a watch list in our personal profile. We'll next go back to the main page and activate a filter to make a curated list of private companies. There are many options to choose from. We'll focus on Indiana. Indianapolis. Industries. Industrials. Aerospace and defense. We could do more, but we'll stick with this. We could then explore every Indianapolis defense private company in more detail. For this video, we'll instead activate another type of filter. Investors. We'll look for investors in Indianapolis. Industrials. Aerospace and defense. Venture capital. In other words, we're curating a list of Indiana VC firms that fund aerospace and defense companies. Note the option to save a search. We'll look at Elevate Ventures. Scroll down to obtain a list of their funded companies. Among them, look at April 2022. We've got a West Lafayette company. Their parent company is Anduril. If we go up to the deals link, we learn that Anduril bought the company for an undisclosed amount in June 2023. There are more ways to filter that you might explore on your own. For example, filter for private companies that have obtained funding. Or merger and acquisition deals. Now you know how to access PrivCo, what's in it, how to search for private companies, and how to activate filters to create lists of investors, companies, and more. For more information, visit the Parish Library homepage. If you have questions, please contact the Parish Library. Have a great day and boiler up.